Jupiter LXIX, originally designated as S/2017 J8, is a fascinating little gem in the vast expanse of our solar system. Discovered by Scott S. Shepard and his team in 2017, this outer natural satellite of Jupiter wasn't officially announced until July 17, 2018. It's intriguing how discoveries like this can linger in the shadows for years before coming to light. This tiny moon measures about 1 kilometer in diameter, which is quite small compared to many of its celestial neighbors. It orbits Jupiter at an impressive distance, with a semi-major axis of approximately 23,232,700 kilometers. To put that into perspective, that's over 57 times the distance from the Earth to the Moon. Its orbit is not just vast. It's also inclined at about 164.7 degrees, which gives it a unique path around the giant planet. Jupiter LXIX is part of the Carmi group, a collection of irregular moons that share similar orbital characteristics. These moons are thought to be remnants of larger bodies that were captured by Jupiter's immense gravitational pull. The Carmi group itself is a fascinating study in the dynamics of celestial mechanics, showcasing how gravitational interactions can shape the orbits of moons over time. Interestingly, recovery images of Jupiter LXIX were captured as far back as September 2010 by the Canada-France-Hawaii telescope. This means that even before its official discovery, this moon was quietly orbiting Jupiter, hidden in plain sight. It's a reminder of how much we still have to learn about our solar system and the objects within it. Now, let's dive into some of the orbital characteristics of Jupiter LXIX. It has an eccentricity of 0.312, which indicates that its orbit is somewhat elongated. This means that its distance from Jupiter varies significantly as it travels along its path. The orbital period is approximately minus 719.6 days, which is a bit unusual. This negative value suggests that the moon is in a retrograde orbit, meaning it moves in the opposite direction to Jupiter's rotation. The mean anomaly of this moon is 70.8 degrees, which helps astronomers determine its position along its orbit at any given time. The longitude of the ascending node is 160.3 degrees, and the argument of perihelion is 45.1 degrees. These parameters are crucial for understanding the moon's orbital dynamics and predicting its future positions. In terms of physical characteristics, Jupiter LXIX has an apparent magnitude of 24.0. This means it's incredibly faint and would be challenging to observe without powerful telescopes. Its small size and distance from Jupiter make it a difficult target for amateur astronomers. But for professionals, it's a treasure trove of information about the formation and evolution of the Jovian system. Jupiter LXIX may be small and distant, but it represents the complexity and beauty of our solar system. Each discovery adds another piece to the puzzle of how celestial bodies interact and evolve over time. As we continue to explore and study these distant worlds, who knows what other secrets they might reveal?